Hello friends, I am Muhammad Azhar Iqbal Nawalgun, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Government First Grade College, Mundargi. Today we are going to solve problems on transient currents. Transient currents. Equation for the growth of current in RL circuit is I is equal to I naught into bracket 1 minus e raised to minus R by L into T. Equation for the decay of current in RL circuit is I is equal to I naught into e raised to minus R by L into T. Equation for the growth of charge of a capacitor through resistor is Q is equal to Q naught into bracket 1 minus e raised to minus T divided by CR. Equation for the decay of charge of a capacitor through resistor is Q is equal to Q naught into e raised to minus T divided by CR. The value of E is equal to 2.72. Equation for the measurement of high resistance by leakage method is R is equal to T divided by C into log of Q naught divided by Q to the base E. That is equal to T divided by 2.3026 into C log of Q naught by Q to the base 10. If we determine Q naught by Q from experiment, then R can be calculated as R is equal to T divided by 2.3026 into C log of theta naught divided by theta to the base 10. Its slope gives the mean value of T divided by log of T naught by theta to the base 10. As C is known, the value of R can be calculated. R is equal to T divided by 2.3026 into C log of theta naught by theta to the base 10, or R is equal to 1 divided by 2.3026 into C into slope. Problem 1. An EMF 10 volts is applied to a circuit having a resistance of 10 ohm and an inductance of 5 Henry, 0.5 Henry. Find the time required by the current to attain 63.2% of its final value. What is the time constant? Solution. The equation for this problem is I is equal to I naught into bracket 1 minus e raised to minus R by L into T. Given I by I naught is equal to 63.2 divided by 100. R by L is equal to 10 divided by 0.5, that is equal to 20. 63.2 divided by 100 is equal to 1 minus e raised to minus 20t, or 0.632 is equal to 1 minus e raised to minus 20t, or e raised to minus 20t is equal to 1 minus 0.632, that is equal to 0.368. E raised to 20t is equal to 1 divided by 0.368, or e raised to 20t is equal to 2.717. 20t is equal to log of 2.717 to the base e, or t is equal to 1 divided by 20 into 2.3026 into log of 2.717 to the base 10. That is equal to 2.3026 into 0.4341 divided by 20. That is equal to 0.05 seconds. Time constant of the circuit is L by R. That is equal to 0.5 divided by 10. That is equal to 1 by 20 seconds. Problem 2. An inductance of 500 millihenry and a resistance of 5 ohms are connected in series with an EMF of 10 volts. Find the final current if now the cell is removed and the two terminals are connected together. Find the current after 0.05 seconds. Second one, 0.2 seconds. solution or the hint. The final current I naught is equal to E divided by R, that is equal to 10 divided by 5, that is equal to 2 amperes. During discharge, I is equal to I naught into E raised to minus R by L into T. Now, R by L is equal to 10. By substituting the values in the equation, we get when t is equal to 0.05 seconds, we get the answer 1.213 amperes. When t is equal to 0.2 seconds, it is 0.271 amperes. Problem 3. A capacitor is charged by DC supply through a resistance of 2 mega ohms. If it takes 0.5 seconds for the charge to reach 3/4 of its final value, what is the capacitance of the capacitor? Here, R is equal to 2 into 10 raised to 6 ohms. T is equal to 0.5 seconds. Q by Q naught is equal to 3 by 4. Q is equal to Q naught into bracket 1 minus E raised to minus T divided by CR, or Q by Q naught is equal to 1 minus E raised to minus T by CR. 3 by 4 is equal to 1 minus E raised to 0.5 divided by C into 2 into 10 raised to 6, or E raised to minus of 0.5 divided by C into 2 into 10 raised to 6 is equal to 4, or log 4 to the base E is equal to 0.5 divided by C into 2 into 10 raised to 6, or C is equal to 0.5 divided by 2.3026 into log of 4 to the base 10 into 2 into 10 raised to 6. That is equal to 0.18 into 10 raised to minus 6 farad, or the C is equal to 0.18 microfarad. On the basis of this section, we have some objective type questions. Question number 1. If the switch is closed at t is equal to 0, what is the current in the circuit? In this given circuit, the options are 0 ampere, option 2 5 ampere, option 3 10 ampere, option 4 15 amperes. The correct answer is 0 amperes. Option number 2. When the voltage across the inductor, when t is equal to 0 plus, the options are 0 volt, second one 20 volt, third one 60 volt, fourth one 80 volt. The correct answer is 60 volt. Question number 3. If RL series circuit, R is equal to 2 ohm and L is equal to 2 millihenry, what is the value of time constant? The options are 0 milliseconds, 4 milliseconds, 1 millisecond, 8 millisecond. The correct answer is 1 millisecond. Question number 4. Time constant is the time taken for response to rise dash of maximum value. The options are 100%, second option 90%, third option 68.3%, fourth option 63.2%. The correct answer is 63.2%. Question number 5. Which of the following one is the different one in terms of measurements? First one L by R, second one 2L by R, third one RC, fourth one Q. The correct option is Q. Thank you.